The best car detailing brushes are able to get dirt and debris out of your vehicle's smallest spaces, no matter where those spaces might be located or angled, cleaning those areas you might not get during a normal wash or interior cleaning. There are many products available to choose the best car detailing brush, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Goat Boar's Hair Detailing Brush. The Chemical Guy's Goat Boar's Hair Detailing Brush is one impressive product, from its durable construction to its gentle nature, that's suitable for all kinds of materials. While this brush may seem almost too soft and gentle, it is also very effective at the same time. Constructed with a plastic handle and soft boar's hair bristles, this is a car detailing brush that's designed to last you many uses. In fact, you'll like it so much, your only problem will be the fact that it's only available in one size. At the end of the handle is a hole that allows it to be hung up for easy access whenever you need it. Number 2. SPTA Car Detailing Brush Kit. If you're looking to set yourself up with a complete detailing set but don't want to spend a lot, the SPTA Car Detailing Brush Kit is a great option. With an affordable price and a total of size brushes in various sizes, it's a set that will have you covered for nearly any need. These brushes are made with plastic handles and synthetic bristles. They're lightweight and soft on surfaces to prevent any scratches or damage while you work. For added longevity, each brush's bristles are set in chemical-resistant epoxy before they're attached to the tapered handles. This can be frustrating if you're expecting true boar's hair bristles. Number 3. Proper Detailing Company. Natural Boar's Hair Car Detailing Brush Set. Invest in the Proper Detailing Company. Natural Boar's Hair Car Detailing Brush Set, and you'll get 3 brushes that are made with longevity in mind. Constructed with premium materials, this set goes beyond your basic brushes, and they're designed to be professional grade, meaning they can be used daily without wearing or degrading. Each brush features a robust handle paired with natural boar's hair bristles, which are densely packed and gentle on surfaces of all types. There's no metal present anywhere on these brushes, so you won't have to worry about unwanted marring or scratching. With regular use, the bristle may flare out, affecting your ability to get into those crevices easily. Number 4. Dokapole Soft Bristle Car Wash Brush. This soft bristle brush from Doca has an extension pole that provides up to 12 feet of reach, though you can collapse the pole down to 5 feet when you don't need the extension. It features flocked synthetic bristles for maximum softness, which continue around the brush head in a 5-sided angle design for the best range and maneuverability when cleaning your vehicle. The wraparound design also protects your car from accidentally getting damaged while cleaning with bumpers around the edges. Also, the aluminum pole may scratch your vehicle if you knock it into your paint, and it can bend if you're not careful. Number 5. Detail Buddy Natural Boar Hair Detailing Brush. Professional detailers developed the Detail Buddy line of detailing supplies for other professional detailers. These brushes are effective for cleaning all surfaces on your automobile, including the wheels and rims and small crevices. Our brushes are constructed completely of plastic to provide the safest cleaning experience and avoid harming delicate surfaces and distinctive wheel patterns. They are impervious to even the toughest cleaners and chemicals, including powerful wheel cleaners and sprays for eliminating iron. The 2-inch naturally occurring, solvent-resistant bristles on each brush are made from pig hair. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.